Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to pin a voice message you received on Instagram. So if you received a voice message, so for example this one here, and you want to pin it so that stays at the top and it doesn't get lost in with all these messages, then let me show you how to do this. Before we begin, you want to first go to your app store. You want to search for Instagram and you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you want to go ahead and tap on the DM section here. Now you want to go ahead and open up the contact where you received the voice message. So for example, this one here. So if you want to pin this voice message, go ahead and long press on this, then tap on pin. This will now pin the voice message here at the top. So when you go back and you return back to this conversation, you'll see that voice message appear right here. Tapping on it will take you to that voice message. So there you go, guys. That is how to pin voice message on Instagram.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.